traders are already on top of potential trades connected to the leak of classified Pentagon documents posted online revealing details about the war in Ukraine. Joining us now is day trader Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. Mike, tell us about your trade.
Yeah, I am looking at cybersecurity, and we've seen with the data leaks and everything, and I just continue to be bullish on the entire sector. So I'm looking at Cloudflare. NET is the stock symbol here. We have earnings coming up at the end of April, and actually, NET has done not great 2 years ago on earnings, but they've had some really strong earnings coming up here. So I expect in and of itself, it's a nice trade, but I do think that there's going to be a lift to things going into earnings as we're sitting right here on the 50-day moving average. So I am looking at that 58.5 level in NET. That is my long, and then from there, you might even be able to see 70 on this thing, not for a day trade, but up to and maybe through earnings. So that is the play. So 58.5 and just playing off of that support. If you look at things like CrowdStrike and Snowflake and Palo Alto, the whole sector is doing well. This is lagging a little bit, but I think that going into earnings, I think that the shorts might get a little bit weary of that earnings report, and I think that it has a nice bit of room to the upside. Short term, I'm probably looking at like 63 would be my, that 58.5 to 63 areas where I'm looking at for the upside.
I have to ask you, what are your thoughts about Bitcoin? It jumped so fast from 20 to 30,000.
I think that it would be a lot higher if we could get these exchanges to stop using leverages and things like that. That is really having some tough things for them. But look at your Coinbase. That if you're going to synthetically, if you don't want to actually own Bitcoin, Coin in and of itself is great. Also, Marathon, that is a big Bitcoin miner. So it's a small part of my portfolio, but I continue to be bullish on all crypto, and it's it is a buy and hold in a mass sort of trade here.
Always good to get your trader thoughts. Thank you, Mike.
Absolutely.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.